How much?
And a butterfly.
Be careful, my dear. Let's keep going.
Look up there, girls.
Of course. Let's explore, my dears. See the coconuts? Wow, so many.
Hi, Mama, up.
Yes, let's pick some together. See how the husk comes off? All right, now you two try.
I got... Wow. Wow. Very good, my loves.
Look, girls, this is how we scrape the coconut. See? The white flakes fall right here. Would you like to try, dear?
Yes, please. I'm doing it, Ma.
Yes, slowly. You're doing so well.
Yay, more flakes. Look, Ma, all done.
Wonderful. I'm so proud of you. Wow, মা, এটা কি করছো?
আমরা এরকম আগে দেখিনি।
See how it's pulling away from the sides? That's how we know it's almost ready.
It's getting so thick, Amma.
Yes, good food takes time. Patience is the secret.
Is it ready yet?
Not yet, my dears.
Now?
Patience.
Ammu, can I try?
Of course, beta.
It's not working.
Gently, like this.
Yay, you did
I'm
it.
so proud of you.
Me too, Ammu. I want to try.
All right, beta. Just a little.
Oh, it's
Gently, dear. Try again. Here, let me help. I did it! See? Just one elaichi pod. Now you try.
Like this, Amma? Nuts are fun.
Let me help.
Thank you.
Hold them gently, darlings.
I will, Amma.
That's it. Very good.
Look, Amma.
Now for the final touch, a beautiful sticker. Perfect! Now they are all ready to share.